Listen and focus on each sentence and word in the conversation and repeat after it. Hello, I'm Lisa. What's your name?
Hi Lisa. My name is Omar. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Omar. Do you work here?
Yes, I do. I just started last week.
Welcome. What is your job?
I work in the marketing department.
That's nice. I work in HR.
Great. Everyone here is very friendly.
Yes, we are like a family. Where are you from?
I'm from Jordan. And you?
I'm from Canada, but I live here now.
That's cool. I'm happy to be here.
I'm sure you will enjoy working with us.
Thank you, Lisa.
English for your